it came. Right, anyone who doesn't actually know what's going on, basically, when I got that little beauty in the background right there, I apparently was the millionth customer to buy a sword from any kit ray. And this was about a month ago now, and I was told it would be a machine gun worth 100 quid sent to me via my last address. And I haven't moved, so I've got my Xbox going in the background. But basically this has arrived at, we'll take 5 minutes off, 11:40 on Friday. It's 1st of March, 27 days to go. And basically what happened was, it was stopped at customs. So they sent me a new one. This is a replica of a sniper rifle, and this is supposed to be pretty damn powerful, and it's apparently the first one they've sold on their website that's this, and I'm pretty stoked for this. I had a picture come through, and to be honest, it looked really sexy. My friend Subsiding Adam, who does a channel, he has a G36C, and god damn it, this knife is blunt. I'm not using the sword, Adam. I knew you'd say something. Right, let's see if I can get in. It says it comes with ACOG scope and a very nice looking magazine from what I could see on the picture. Hello. It's a bomb. What is this? Oh, it's a bit broke, a bit smashed. Oh, 2,000 oh, Bulldog. There you go, Bulldog. Very nice little piece of equipment there. Hello. Get out of the box. Get out. Get out. This is a prize, as it was said in the email, about a month ago now, that I was the millionth customer. Oh, that looks so sexy. And basically what happened was, they've sent me a gun, but it looked too real, and since there was no permit in the purchase description, when they got to customs it was stopped, sent back, and they've had to send me this one on express shipping, and I was only told Wednesday, so that's pretty damn express. 2 days across the border. It's another thing all the way from America. Let's see if I can get this open. Open! Ah. Come in, knife. But yes, this has definitely helped out with the props. For anything you're going to do, really. So, this will not be spray painted black, because that comes under illegal. So there you go. Here's the one. Look at that magazine, that's so sexy. Let's move it away so you can see the box itself. You can't see the box itself. Come here, sock. I like to use whatever I can. My apologies for anybody who just had to look at my thumb. It's a very nice thumb though, isn't it? Get open. Open sesame. Ah. Alright, it says adjustable quick aim elect red cross sight. M41k uses 6mm BB bullets. It's a complete set series. It's a 1-to-1 completed high-grade air sport gun. Include electronic gun sight, laser aim module, flashlight, and shooting glasses. No, they're so sweet. They send me all of the safety stuff, even though I get blown up by creepers every day on my Xbox. Yeah, something for that. Right, there's the box. Dun, dun. I got a picture of it. It's supposed to be really orange, so prep yourself. Ha! Oh, I can see it in the camera. Wow. It's not the one. That's sexy. I really like that magazine. That is really nice. Look at that. Someone's getting Skype downstairs. Sorry for the pause. Right, so let's see. We have a pack of 50 BB bullets. The back. Not much of a gun, is it? Oh. Wow, it's actually mostly metal. Look at that. Get on. Let's see. I don't want to break it. Wow, that's quite hefty on the back. In? Yep. That's pretty nice. I have to admit. Right, that's safety on. Safety off. Ooh. Oh! Sniper in the bushes. We've got Charlie in the bushes. Anyone who knows what that reference is from, I love you. I salute you, sir. Right. Don't anyone say you're being childish. If you've seen my YouTube... Ooh. If you've seen my videos, you'll know I'm childish, as it is. ACOG scope. Let's see what this is. Ooh.
Don't forget this coffee and this pasty.
Okay. Doesn't work. Right, that is actually to the side. That one will go on top. That is really nice. Let's see what it looks like loaded. So. That is it fully loaded. Look at that. That's smooth to use. Oh, there's anchor points too. Oh, I didn't see that. Elastic band. Oh, I didn't see this. It's just ooh, what's that? Oh, down. Wow, they messed with my side. Right, that's that in. That's pretty sexy to be honest. Wow, they made me feel a little dizzy actually, those. So I'm not safe. I've got the backup music in the background, so it's fine, don't worry about it. I may have cocked up with the accessing of the module. Right, that one's... yeah, that's locked in. Oh, wow. Is that the... That's pretty nice. If you didn't see that, from the front, you take it and there's a little lever here. That's how you clock it back, and that's a 1-to-1 scale replica of this thing. This is usually a sniper rifle, can be fully automatic. Oh, there's a safety either end, and the push button to release this, if you want to fire from the hip, is on your left hand side of the gun. Wow, wiggle that free for a bit. And that's more fire from the hip-ish. My safety's on, so I'll reload. I wonder what the animation for that would look like. And it's like... That's pretty cool. Alright, so it does align slightly. Only slightly though. I will not be taking this back guard off. This is a pain to get on. My God. There you go, it's back on. So, that will be it for now. I've got the 2 straps that I can put on, make it look a bit more smexy. I can say what I want. But in the meantime, this should be fun to play with for a bit. Don't know why I put it on like that, I really don't. Put it that way. So it's more like that, walking around like this and pop it right into place. So then, this has been Bayswater Brass. Oh, is a new toy? You jelly. Where's the button?